Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, January 29th, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. But it's 6:56 actually. I'm already at work because I dropped off Kat sa work niya. And then I'm working, and I drove today because I have work in the afternoon. So double na naman tayo today. From 7 to 12 midnight. Yeah, so I think na-explain ko naman na nag-work ako ng 2 jobs dito sa Vancouver. One is like office work, and then the other one is outreach work. And yung outreach work ko, like super part-time lang talaga siya dapat, but lately hindi nila ma-fill yung afternoon shift, so I've been picking up the afternoon shift. Pero in the coming months, mawawala na siya ulit, thank God. Masaya na may extra money, pero super nakakapagod din. So yun yung talagang bayad mo sa money na marireceive mo at the end. But it's okay. Inano ko lang naman yun para less ng bills and stuff. So yeah, it was good overall, and I hope that this is the last week na may work ako during the weekdays. I wouldn't mind like picking up shifts sa if it was after like weekdays, like if it was weekends, siguro okay lang din. Actually, parang prefer ko na mag-work ng weekday, then may weekend ako. I don't know. But anyways, the point is, ang hirap mag-double job. Pero, it's positive naman din dahil makakaipon ka. And, yeah. So, do you need a second job though? For me, parang hindi naman masyado. Only for extra monies. Okay naman din yung job ko, like the office work. And since half kami lahat sa bills ni Kat, carry yung mga bills. But the living expenses here in Vancouver have changed over the past like 2 years. So it's been like very, very inflated. So yung mga past videos namin, hindi na siya accurate. So we're gonna have to do it again. But yeah, pasok muna ako. I gotta make coffee, and then yeah, make coffee and start working. Gotta make coffee. This is my desk. This is my pretty keyboard. Sounds good. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a desk tour since it's really early. Here's my humidifier. Tapos, I have 2 screens. This one is mine from home. I just brought it in because it's wider, so I like it better. I bought this one. I bought this keyboard. Look at my nails. Anyways, I bought this keyboard. Sounds really good. Mechanical keyboard. And then this one we got for Christmas from the company. Charger, wireless charger. Tapos, minsan nakalagay lang dyan yung phone ko para kita ko kung may nagme-message or like if I'm playing. YouTube or like Spotify, it's on there. Here's the actual computer. And over here, we have my banana from the kitchen. Get our coffee. Some abubuts here. Tapos, this was one of those like self-reflection thingies that I got for a price. This is creamer from home. And then Carmela's drawing. Tapos sa summer may ventilador ako. And then here's my trash can. We're actually not supposed to have a trash can, but I have one because I blow my nose a lot. And then Joy's, it's here, but she's not here yet. Yeah, that's it. I have my charger there. This space is all empty. Yeah. So we finally finished our Wednesday, and I'm so excited. It's like 10 past midnight right now, and I'm just so tired. I'm just so happy that I'm not working double tomorrow or Friday or Saturday or Sunday. Feels so good. Yeah, I'm gonna go upstairs, and as per usual, I shower right when I get home, then I go to sleep because early day tomorrow again. Not as early as today and yesterday. Been waking up at like 6, but tomorrow I will wake up at like 7 instead. Anyways, my elevator is here. Hello.
Hello, my friend.
So it's now Thursday, and
What did we do?
maraming sinabi na i-vlog namin, pero hindi naman kami nag-vlog.
From the moment
we wake up in the morning.
yung last vlog namin na nag-dinner kami kasama ng coworker ni Kim, Sunday yon. And since Monday, wala naman masyadong ganap nung Monday.
Yeah.
But
actually, I have some clips from like Tuesday and Wednesday. Hindi ko lang talaga siya natapos, but I have some. But now it's Thursday.
yeah, Monday, wala kami masyadong ganap. Tuesday and Wednesday, nag-work si Kim sa second job niya after ng job niya sa umaga, nag-work siya sa gabi. And nasa bahay lang ako.
7 to midnight.
Yeah, 7 to midnight.
Yeah, because I've been going with you. I've been going with you in the morning.
Oh, okay, 7 in the morning until midnight kasi dalawa yung job niya. But yeah, kahapon, konting kwento lang, habang naglo-laundry ako, kasi every Wednesday talaga, naglo-laundry ako for parang midweek. Nagtaka ako, bakit sobrang ingay ng laundry, anong washer namin. Siguro may video pa ako nun eh.
Yeah.
Ano na lang natin. Yeah, maririnig niyo talaga yung dug. Pero, yeah, papakita namin sa inyo. And ipaparinig namin sa inyo kung gaano siya kaingay. Pero nung after na ng cycle ng washer, pag check ko, parang may loose na yung tub.
Screw.
Yeah, na screw. So, this one is clear. Yan, mali. But this one is, I don't know, it's open. And it's like broken. Look. Compared to this. See? It's wobbly. yun, kausap ko yung landlord namin and everything. Nagbigay siya ng instructions kung anong gagawin, and then i-off yung, para ma-off yung ng water, yung supply ng water sa washer. Hanggang sa nag-decide na lang talaga na, hindi siya dalawang isip na sabihin sa amin na papalitan na lang yung washer. And so, wala kaming washer for siguro mga 1 week or siguro more than.
Yeah, siguro mga 1 week and a half. Kasi, in fairness naman sa aming mabait at matulungin na landlord, bilis niyang nakabili ng bagong, washer.
Washer, oo.
Pero, the only problem is, delivery siya. So, next Friday pa siyang madi-deliver. And then, someone else has to install it, yung guy niya. And he doesn't know kung kailan makakapunta yung guy niya to install it. But, we have to coordinate, like, time and, everything. So, yeah.
So, Friday yung delivery, but ang sabi is, hindi pa sure kung kailan i-install. So, I guess, sa mga panahon na wala pa kaming washer, maglo-laundry kami sa labas. But, it's okay. I think
more content!
It's okay. At least yung yung washer namin, bago, and hindi kami mamamblema kasi, sa ilang years naman na andito kami nakatira, wala naman talaga siyang, or wala kami ibang kinomplain, or wala kami ibang problema dahil sobrang maintained yung
place,
bahay,
yeah.
place. And so, nung dumating kami dito, everything was okay, everything is good. So, kami din, as tenants, inalagaan din namin yung mga gamit at saka yung bahay itself. So, after ilang years, ngayon pa lang nagka-problema yung washer. But then, yun nga, sabi niya, I think yung washer na to, medyo nagkaka-problema din talaga kasi sa ibang mga units niya, ganun din yung issues.
True.
So,
yeah. So, it's the washer issue. Really, may naman talaga, like, may lifespan ng mga
washer dryer
appliances. And if we don't know who lived here before us. We don't know how many times they used the washer.
Yeah, and ang lang, kasi never siyang nagsuspect ng anything sa amin if nangyari or paano nasira. Like, sabi lang niya na, okay, well, it's time to, replace the washer. And siya pa yung nanghingi ng pasensya sa amin kasi sabi niya, hindi nga lang daw magiging pareho yung brand ng washer and dryer. Pero kasi mukhang matatagalan pa yung pagpalit ng dryer. So, sabi ko, hindi, okay lang. Wala naman kaming problema. Basta may magamit lang kami. Hindi naman kami pihikan at mapili sa mga.
And the most important thing is that he's not mad at us for, like, breaking anything. Because we didn't break anything. Kasi, like, yung mga housing dito, sometimes you get really, really bad landlords na if they have to spend anything on you, tapos medyo mura yung rent mo, they're gonna say na, i-renovate na lang namin yung place, tapos kick out ka nila. So, then ang ending, you have to look for another place with, like, much higher price since you've been there for so long. Pero, itong landlord namin, super bait, super genuine na kindness ang lagi niyang pinakita to us, even from the start. Like, natingnan na namin tong apartment na to, tapos nag-no kami dito kasi may nakita kami na mas maganda. Tapos, yung apartment na yun, apparently, bebenta. So then, we looked again in this building, tapos nagkataon na sa kanya din yung unit na yun. And then, sabi niya, if you don't mind, yung tinignan niyo na before,
still
available pa rin. Kung gusto niyo yun, may mas amenities yun kesa dun sa nakita namin. And then, so, he became our landlord. And he's been our landlord for like years now. And he is so good to us. And, we don't see him being like rude or anything. Tapos, he appreciates din na we keep up with the cleanliness and like the of the house, the quality of the house. So yeah.
Yeah. Sabi niya, bihira lang siya nakakarinig sa amin daw ng complaints or anything. Usually, yung mga sinasabi namin is yung mga, like, for example, yung lights, like yung mga bulbs, na hindi pa talaga napapalitan since nung lumipat kami dito. So, syempre, may mga gumagamit na before kami tumira. Yun lang yung mga inaano namin, like, mga pinapasuyo namin na if pwede pa i-fix and everything. Pero, nothing major.
Yeah,
Super,
tapos
super
lagi pa kami
major.
nagsusumbong pag kunwari yung yung elevator, kasi one time yung elevator, like, it lets you go on any floor without a
Parang
fob.
nagka-glitch yung ano nila.
Tapos, siguro mga 2 days na gano'n na notice namin na parang, this is not normal na parang may sira talaga. So, nagsumbong kami nung time na yon. Tapos, nung first summer namin dito, naglilinis kami ng balcony, and then, our upstairs neighbor, naglinis din ng balcony, pero yung paglinis nila, they were pouring water dun sa balcony floor, tapos sinascrub nila. So, ang ending, yung mga dirt and nila dun, nahuhulog sa amin, nakakalinis lang. So, sinumbong namin sila. I don't think they're there anymore because iba na yun nandun sa taas, parang Filipino na sila. And if you're watching this, hello, pero sana hindi na kayo nagluluto ng gabi. Kasi naamoy din namin dito.
So guys, kasi pag nasa building apartment ka, may mga patakaran kasi yung mga building apartments na pag naglilinis kayo ng balcony nyo, bawal nyo ihulog dun sa, yung tubig na ginagamit nyo panglinis, bawal nyo ihulog dun sa baba. Siguro may mga ibang building apartments na meron silang drainage talaga na designated drainage para kung may maglilinis sa balcony. But our building, wala siyang ganun. So pag naglilinis ka, dapat yung mga water stays within your balcony lang. So, kayo na bahala kung paano nyo idadry yung balcony nyo, paano nyo i-direct yung water na nililinis nyo na hindi mahuhulog sa baba. Kasi,
yeah, and then, alam nyo, yung ganun, ang hirap-hirap nun. So, like, kung nagawa na namin yun, tapos yung mga dumi ng taas na pupunta din sa amin, uulitin namin yun. It's so hard kaya na yung basa nyo, imamap nyo uli to like a bucket para sa washroom nyo siya itatapon. Like, buti na lang wala na sila. Okay na kami sa...
nakadalawang complaints din kami nun sa
yeah,
kanila.
2 summers. 2 summers straight. And I guess they moved out.
Yeah.
Maybe they bought a new house. So, good for them.
Totoo. But yeah, so far wala namang major updates. Wala naman kami mga major lakad for this week. It's a super chill lang na week ngayon.
It's very tiring.
But also, at the same time, kahit wala naman kaming masyadong ganap, masyado kaming busy sa work.
So busy.
So
busy. So tiring.
Yeah, we're not really complaining. We're
No.
blessed. We are blessed to have
blessed. But
na may work kami. Exhausting lang.
Exhausting. Yeah. It's like extra exhausting nang this week because last week, this is on me, but last week I worked 5 nights and 5 days. So I worked pretty much like 70 something hours in 1 week. And a lot of people work even more than that. I get it. Pero like, that was a lot last week. Tapos hindi pa ako nabayaran sa 4 hours kasi yung... But anyways, so yeah, that's why. And then this week, medyo chill na, pero hangover pa rin dun sa pagod ng last week. And then, busy din yung weekend namin, the past weekend. So, that's why we're like exhausted and looking forward to tomorrow and this weekend.
I'm looking forward for this weekend na like walang anything. But siguro maglo-laundry kami sa labas. But yeah, kami lang ba? Or marami kami nakikita sa social media na they're saying na sobrang haba ng January. Because
Actually, no, I don't feel that.
Kung gano'n kabilis yung January last year,
that's true.
Ngayon, ganun siya ka-bagal.
That's true.
And I think it's gonna be bagal to sa February because leap year. But, you know, it's It's okay.
Actually, I prefer a longer February because that means that we're actually paying for 29 days of rent instead of just 28 days. And we get more of our money because of that.
Ano naman to pera?
But anyways, okay, we're talking for too long already.
Yeah, nothing too special.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
Hopefully
Look
you
at our
guys
hairs.
Hopefully you guys are okay and your week is
Yeah.
fine and good.
Bless to you
Bless.
guys. And for the tita and tito who live in this building and that we saw.
Nanonood sa amin. Oo nga
Hello.
pala. Hi sa inyo. Like, we were so surprised.
No, they're
Ano.
they're not asking for like a shout out or anything, but they noticed us and talked to us on the elevator. So it was like pretty weird experience dahil we've never really experienced that. And we're just doing this for fun. So
Yeah.
medyo But anyways, I'm talking too much. Thank you.
na-surprise
Thank you for
kami.
watching us and hi.
And thank you for saying hi to us kasi wala kami kinakausap sa elevator that time because maraming sakay. But then parang
Tayo lang.
tayo lang ba yun? Akala ko may isa pa. Tapos sabi nila, kayo yung nagva-vlog sa Sabi namin, na-shock talaga kami. But thank you so much for watching and thank you for saying hi to us. Na-appreciate namin yan.
Yeah, that's it. Thanks for everything. To everyone.
Yeah, thank you
Ang
guys.
sakit ng tiyan ko.